Alright guys, let's check this out. This is the Viofo A139 Pro, and this is one of the best 4K dashcam camera out there. It has 2-channel front and rear 4K, and I believe the rear is 2K or 1080, and yep, and it has the STARVIS 2 technology, which is supposedly gives more quality, clearer 4K videos day and night. God dang! Alright, I just noticed we have 2 wire kit over here for the camera, but we will be using the HK3C hardwire kit, this one, and this wire supposedly give your camera continuous power when the engine is off. So when you park your vehicle, it will still recording. And check this out, you can set up when the voltage of your battery drops below whatever you set over here, let's say 12.2, the camera will automatically shut off, so it won't drain your battery. So for parking surveillance advantage, I'm gonna be using this one. Woo! Heck yeah! Let's tow it to the Jeep and put it to test. Let's go! Alright, so I tap into F56 and F45. Heck yeah! And then we're just gonna feed this to through the firewall. Alright, now it's connected.
Recording. 1 channel started.
I just need to attach the rear camera and that should be it.